Hello everyone. Today I'm here to discuss two things. The first one is recently I started one Telegram group which is absolutely free of cost, but only for the homeopathic doctors and the homeopathic students only. It's a closed group where I will discuss my cases, solved cases every day. Every day I post uh, one case and I discuss that case at the end of the day. So if you want to join, if you are really interested to learn homeopathy, and you can join your in this group, I'll share the link below. Or if you are watching this video on the Instagram, you will get the link in my bio. If or else you can DM me, I will share the link with you all. But this group is only for the homeopathic doctors and the students. Okay. So I really don't discuss my cases in my courses because I strongly feel that in my course I teach the core essence of the subject so that you implement in your practice. That is the reason I made this group where I discuss my cases, and it is absolutely free of cost. Anyone can join. Of course, you need to be homeopath or homeopathic practitioner or a homeopathic student only. This is not for everyone, not for common people. That is the one thing. And the second thing is recently I finished a mega session which went really well. I got so many testimonials, so many positive messages from the people because the videos which I posted in that mega session really helped so many people. I over delivered the main content. I discussed more than 60 remedies in that mega session itself, and I also discussed so many keynotes for the cough cases and the fever cases, which will really help you in your career, for especially in the acute cases. So if anyone not enrolled your name in the mega session, you can still purchase that course. You will get all the videos. I will give you the 2 years access to watch the videos, and you can ask question at any time to me. You will be added in my personal WhatsApp group as well. So as the mega session finished, now I'm going to start a very important segment of homeopathy, that is the case taking. My enrolled member asked me to go for this course so that they get benefited by the course, because case taking is so very important. So on August 10th, I will start this course for a 15 days of 15 days of course, where I will discuss about the complete aspects of the case taking and potency selection, how to prepare alum potency, and everything I will discuss related to the case. And I will give you the blueprint of questionnaire forms separately for the acute conditions, for the chronic conditions, for children cases, for hormonal disorders. So I will provide you the questionnaire forms, and so that you can happily follow that in your practice as well. And I will going to discuss the case taking session at very deeper level. So I suggest each and everyone to join this course, and I am providing this course at a very reasonable price only for this batch, because for genuine people who are really interested towards the homeopathy, I want to provide this course at a very low cost. But I can't provide this much of a valuable course at this price after this session. Means from the second batch onwards, I will definitely not provide this course at this price. That is just 1,000 rupees for the Indians and 2,000 rupees for the NRIs. I mean, not NRIs, for foreigners. Okay. So if you want to join, I suggest you to join right now. I will give you the long-term access, 2 years of access to each and every one. But if you enroll it right now, you will get a lifetime access. For first 100 members will get the lifetime access to this course. and this course cost would be 10,000 rupees from next batch onwards. So whoever really honestly interested towards the homeopathy, join this course, and I will ensure you that this would be the best course ever. In the case taking segment, I will discuss each and everything, especially the young homeopath will get benefited by this, and the people who want to start their practice will definitely help in their career, because case taking is one of the very important segment in the whole process of the case, whole process of the to cure the case. So join me in my case taking session and enroll your name as soon as possible to get lifetime access. Thank you so much. And I also join my Telegram group, which is absolutely free. I'll discuss my solved cases there with with pictures and previous pictures and of what happened after the treatment, and I'll share the and documented cases, documented cases in that group. So it is, I also discuss how I solved that particular case at the end of the day. So already 500 people joined in that group in just 2 days, and you also join me so that we can learn together and grow together. Let's take homeopathy to the next level and join case taking session as well, course as well, and I am providing you at a super affordable price. This course is equals to lakhs of rupees. If you invest this course, or just 1,000 rupees is just nothing, because you are going to learn a lot. If you really want to learn something very interesting, very informative, just join me without thinking much. Don't think much, just join me as soon as possible. Thank you so much.